Smash that shit. Smash that. Smash that. Smash that. Smash that. Smash it. Smash it. Poof. What the hell are you doing, bro? Smash it, bro. All right, guys. So we just hit TP1 on this trade. This is Volatility 751S. All right, and how we came up with this entry with this you can see we have a sniper entry on this trade. Is very this is our SL and this is our entry. You can see how good that entry is. All right, and we came up with this trade because we saw we noticed price had come to our key resistance level, even when there is a lot of bullish pressure in the market. But this resistance level is a very solid one, and I'm going to show you in this video how you can detect a very strong turning point in your charts or in the market, right? So just ensure to watch this video to the end and you'll be able to get value, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Smash the like button so this video can go viral, and every other person who is interested in learning one or two things can learn from this. All right, and also I'll be leaving the link to my free Telegram group on the description of this video, so you should just go join us and see what we have right there. All right, so like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys how to detect a very strong reversal point in the market when you're analyzing market. All right, but before then, I'll quickly just update my VIP members on the progress of the trade, and then I'll get back to you guys. All right, so I just had to update my VIP members. We just hit the first take profit level. You can see we used a very low lot size to trade to take this trade. Of course, this was the signal, and the SL was dropped immediately. Yeah, so this is our target, the first TP and the second TP, which is what we are going for right now. All right, so we are already we've already taken out the first target, so we are safe. We are on the safe side right now. I've instructed them to trail their SL accordingly. All right, that's what you have to know when you are in my VIP group, how to manage your trades. All right, so for the sake of this video, I want to show you guys how you detect a very strong turning point in the market. All right, so even as you know, of course, I think if you are into trading, you should already know that your job as a trader is to be able to detect where the market is likely to reverse from, right? So that you can go down with it or go up with it, as the case may be. If you are trading a selling market, a downtrend, you want to always spot out places on the chart where price will always go back down from, right? Let's say situations like this where price moved from here and got to this point. You see it pulled back down from that point, right? A lot of traders would have made money from here down to this level, right? You see it also got back to that place and pulled back down again. A lot of people would have made a lot of money down to this level. Okay, now this time around it went back, broke that level and went up, right? There are some traders who would have tried selling around this level, around here, but end up losing. So I'm going to treat that in this video. I'm going to show you guys how you know when exactly price is likely to reverse, so that you won't get to enter when you're not supposed to enter. You won't get to sell when you're supposed to be buying, or buy when you're supposed to be selling. All right, so you can see here these areas. Let's just get into it, guys. Let me not waste anybody's time. So this is daily time frame, right? If you are a price action trader, if you are a naked trader, you will agree with me that the daily time frame is a very powerful time frame. It's a very strong time frame for analysis, right? Just like the weekly and the monthly, but anything below the daily, well, 4 hours time frame is still very significant, as far as trading, as far as technical analysis is concerned, the 1 hour time frame too. As a matter of fact, every time frame is very important, but then again, there are time frames who will give you a clearer picture of what's happening in the market. All right, so you depend on them to see the direction of the market, and also depend on the lower time frames to decide your entry. Okay, so I'm a day trader. Yeah, obviously I give daily signals to my VIP members, so we get to trade every day, unless for days that there are no high probability setups in the market, right? That's when we all agree not to trade on that particular day. So as a day trader, you need to be analyzing the market from the daily time frame. Okay, sometimes I do use the weekly time frame. It just depends on you and what you are trying to achieve, right? So this is daily time frame, and you can see that price had been going upwards for a long time, right? Price had been going upwards for a long time. Now if you are trading this market, you might be tempted to want to continue buying when price got to this level, right? I'm going to show you why I decided to sell instead. All right, so just pay close attention. So price has been buying. Of course, you know that when the market is going up, you want to be buying, but it will always get to a point where price will pull back and go back downwards, right? To always get to a point where price will go back downwards. So what do you do at that point? You need to be able to detect that point and then follow price back downwards. That's the reversal point I'm talking about. That's the key reversal point, key turnaround point, key turning zone, yeah, that I'm talking about. That's what we know as the resistance level or the support level. All right, so in this case, when we are selling, we are talking about the resistance level. All right, so on the daily time frame, price had been buying, but when it got to this level, let's back test. This is the first point where price respected this zone, right? When it got to this level, there was a pullback. Now if we try to find that same level again on this other side, keep back testing, you see that price usually just pulls back from that level. You always notice this if you follow attentively, or if you pay attention to the market, of course. All right, because this is still that level, this is still that region, right? The price dropped from, right? And in the case here, price also pulled back upwards. It was coming down. This is still that region, don't forget. It was coming down, and this time around, this region served as support region. It pulled price upwards. I mean, so that shows that this place, there's something about this place that is always not letting the market to pass conveniently, right? The market, when it gets to that place, it doesn't just pass conveniently. It doesn't pull. It's either it's going to struggle around there and finally reverse, go back up, or go back down wherever it was coming from. This is still that zone, right? This is still that zone. This is still that zone. This is still that zone. All right, this is still, you can see. Now you need to be able to detect, you need to be able to spot reversal on that same zone. About 6 reversals is fine. If you see 6 strong reversals at that area, that zone, that particular zone, then that is the zone you're looking at. This is it. If you count with me, I have seen more than 6, right? That is still that zone. Price will always reverse from that zone whenever it comes to that zone, right? Unless it finally breaks, and when it breaks, you still know, because you see that it has gone past that level and it has like really dropped beyond or below that level, right? So that is that for back testing. You have seen that on that level, price is always respecting. Price is always doing something around that level. It's always reacting around that level. Okay, so this is still that level. Don't forget, guys. This is still that level. Don't forget. So now we were lucky to meet price back in that area, right? Price had dropped after it came to that level the last time. It dropped down to this point, and then it still went back to that area. Now one of the screenshot I shared with my VIP members, I told them that there is more bullish pressure in the market. All right, and I like to just update them so that everybody will know what they are doing. So even even when there is a lot of bullish pressure in the market, like you all can see, that the price had been pulling upwards. You can see that there are more of the higher highs, right? But it got to this particular place again, that is always making price to not be able to just forge ahead with its movements. It's always distracting price. It's always making price to stagger around the level, right? We got to that place again, and then you switch to the 4 hours time frame, and you notice rejections, a lot of rejections around that place. Let me show you what I mean by rejection. You see, around that region, price had dropped, gone back to that area, rejected again, gone back to that area, rejected again. This green candles you are seeing here was with a lot of rejection, right? That was proof that that place is going to torment this price again, as usual. It's going to pull back price again. Now the market is planning to break that place and still go up. That's the plan, because like I said, there's a lot of bullish pressure in the market. The market is in an uptrend, like we had seen earlier. All right, so price is intending to push beyond this level, but for now we are still around this level, struggling around this level. This level is still very solid, very more solid than the force that the buyers are coming with. So it helps the sellers pull price down every single time price comes there. All right, so let's switch to the 1 hour time frame. You always have to check different time frames to see price reactions at that level. Now you can see that there is also a lot of rejections. You can see this very long rejection here. All right, whenever price gets to that place, you see rejections, you see more rejections. Please try to know, if you don't know what rejection is, this is what I'm talking about. Try to understand these things, right? You see this wick. At least you should know what the wick is. If you're into trading, you should learn about the candlesticks and know what a wick is, and know what the body of the candlestick is, all of that. So you see, if you see more of the wicks, more of the rejections, more of those wicks around the region you want to be trading from, then you are on the right path. Okay, you're on the right path. If you are trying to buy, the rejection should be coming from below, from below your support. If you are trying to sell, it should be coming from above your resistance, right? It should be coming from your resistance level. Okay, so we are still selling. This market is likely to sell up down to this level, right? But we don't want to be greedy. We don't want to take too much time before we secure our profit. That's why we have targets that is less risky, right? More realistic. So you switch to different time frames and you observe all of the candlesticks. Try to see more of the rejections and all of that around that region. Okay, then wait for the 15 minutes candlestick, or the 5 minutes candlestick, or even the 30 minutes candlestick to close with a bearish candlestick like this. All right, and then take your sell. 5 minutes candlestick is fine. I think this was the candlestick that made me enter after the closing of this candlestick, this 5 minutes candlestick here. All right, I met the market around there, and I sold around there. You can see how much profit we are making already. We have hit the first target and we are going in for the next one. We are seeing the next one already. And like I said, this market just might keep selling. Might be that this market is coming to retest this previous low before going back upwards, right? So if that happens, we are going to be looking out for buying opportunities around this level, guys. All right, until then, we are rocking massive profits. We're making a lot of profit for ourselves. We're making a lot of money from the same market that is taking money from a lot of people. All right, you just have to be aware of what you're doing, know what you're doing, and of course, perfect it. Practice whatever you know until you are perfect at it. You don't need too much information to be able to win from this industry, or from this market, right? You don't need too much information. You just need to have a couple of good information and stick to it, practice it, and make sure you understand it very well, and then you maximize your profits, right? hit me up on my WhatsApp. I'll be dropping the WhatsApp link on the description of this video. So hit me up and just let me know what you think. Let me know where you have challenges. Let me know if you want to do any business with me. You know, we manage accounts and we give premium signals. We also tutor people who are interested in learning for themselves how to do this thing by yourself. Do it yourself is much more advice. Like, it's much more, it's better off than taking signals or doing or giving someone your account to manage for you, because doing it yourself will give you an understanding of the market. You will learn a lot. Even if you get to lose any trade, you will have at least something to learn from that loss. That's one good thing about trading by yourself. All right, so I'll be waiting for you on the other side. Hit me up, guys. Take care of yourselves. Be good until we see you again on another video. Peace.